welcome to Art Magic.
In this delightful drawing, let your imagination take flight as you envision a sweet moment between a loving mama elephant and her adorable baby elephant. The scene exudes warmth and affection, perfect for celebrating Mother's Day. Once the drawing is complete, encourage kids to color it with care and creativity, using a palette of soft pastels or vibrant hues to bring the scene to life. From the verdant greenery to the playful splashes of color on the umbrella, every detail should sparkle with joy and love. This heartwarming drawing of a mama elephant and her baby sharing love under a big umbrella is a beautiful way for kids to celebrate Mother's Day and hone their artistic skills. Let their creativity soar as they bring this touching scene to life on paper. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.